I do.
What? You're in the bathtub?
I do.
Only from the belly button up? Are you ready? Oh. Should we do the cup thing? You ready? Here are our cups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? Okay, we'll do the cup thing. Ready? Pew, 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 pew. Did you like it? The cup thing. How old's Charlie?
I do it.
Correct. 16 months. Are you handsome? Say, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I do.
Yeah? What'd you have for din-dins tonight?
I did.
You had soup? You did? Soup with little meatballs in it? Mm-hmm. And chicken salad sandwich. And grapes that you would call balls. You balls! You're a grape hoarder. You stole some from Daddy's dinner. Oh, cups. Okay, line the cups up again. 1 cup. 2 cups. Get some more. 3 cups. 4 cups. Oh boy. Some have water in them. Okay, here are all the cups. Are you finding the other ones? Good job. Ooh, chase that cup. That's a sneaky cup. Okay, are you ready? Do we have them all? Close enough? Ready? Oh. Charlie's doing it! Awesome! Oh, the cups are back in the tubba. Who did a good job? Did you do a good job? Charlie, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Mama's going to turn it off. Love bugs. Can you wave? Say bye, camera. Can you wave? Are you waving your hand? Wave your hand. Say bye, camera. Oh, new game. Huh. What are we going to do with the big one? Can you say bye to the camera? Can you wave, please? Hey, yo. Hey, you with Einstein hair. Alright, all done.
Baba.
Bye-bye.
Baba.
Bye-bye.
Baba.